Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today I am going to show you a really cool and useful trick. If you use Google Form to collect information, feedback or registrations, you might want to send the information directly to your Discord server. This is very helpful for communities, teams or small businesses. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that in step by step. But before we start, don't forget to check the description below this video. I will always keep the official link, latest tools and updated instructor there so you can follow the newest method easily. Alright, let's begin. The main idea is to use a third-party automation tool. One of the easiest option is the Zapier. But if you want, you can also use the Make. Both are beginner friendly and don't require to coding. Now first create your Google form with all the information or all the fields you need like name, email or message. So once your form is ready, open the Zapier. And now you will find there is a plus icon. Oh yeah, before that you have to just log in your account on Zapier. But if you don't have any account, you can create it easily. It will take just 2 minutes. So after you are just logging in, so you will find there is a plus button or create button. Just simply click on this and now select this one, like create a new Zap. Now here there is a two option. One is Copilot, but we are not going to use this automation AI to make our Zapier, so we will make it with manual selection. So first we have to make a trigger point. Now from here you will choose the Google form as the trigger. This means whenever someone submit your form, Zapier will take an action. So just select this one. Okay, you will see the trigger is created, and from here you have to select a trigger, like which kind of trigger, a new form response or any updated. For this tutorial I'm just selecting this one for only new responses. And after that you have to authenticate your Google form. So to do that, just click on this sign in and it will ask you to log in your Google account or authenticate your Google account with Zapier. Okay, so we have linked our Google account with Zapier. After that, just simply click on this continue. Now we will configure our form. Like in our Google form, I have two Google form and it's showing, like if I show you, I have two of Google form. One name is contact us, another one is contact information. So I will add this one, contact information. So let's configure this with Zapier contact information. So select your form and after that just simply click on this continue. Okay, so we have successfully completed our trigger point for the Google form. Now we will create an action, like whenever someone submit an Google form, what it will happen. So we are doing for the Discord, right? So if you don't have any Discord account, simply go to discord.com and create your account. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes. After that, just create a new server from this plus icon. So I have created a new server. You can see easy access server. Create your server and that's it. Oh yeah, if you have created a new Discord account, then you have to verify your email, because if you don't verify your email, you will not be able to complete the Discord trigger. So let's do this and just verify your email. That's it. So now you can see this is our server. Already we have created our trigger point. Now we have to create a action point. So simply click on this and we are creating for Discord, right? So just simply search for Discord. Just click here or select the Discord one. So after that you will see there is a setup option. So we have to set up our Discord. So to do that, first what you have to do, we have to create an event for action event, like when someone submit a Google form, what will happen on Discord. So I want, if someone submit a form on Google form, it will message me on my Discord channel. So let's select this one, send channel message. Same thing, it's asking you to sign in or authenticate your Discord with Zapier. So let's do it. And make sure you have select the server which one we have created earlier. So select your server and just simply click on continue, and from here you can control this access, like what you want to give the access to Zapier or which one you don't want. So I'm just keeping as it is and just authorize this. Okay, so now we have created the action event. We have authenticate our Discord server or Discord channel with Zapier. Now just simply click on this continue. So you can see we have created a channel like this one. So select your channel. If I show you on our Discord, so this is our server, right? Easy access server, and we have only one channel right now. For this tutorial purpose, I am using this one. If you want, then you can create a new channel from this. So I am just using this general channel for this tutorial. So just simply select your channel, which one you want to select. If you have a multiple channel, you can see a list here, and from there you can just simply select one. Now since I have selected that if someone submit a form, it will message on my Discord. So what message I can write that? So let's say hi. So whatever you want, you can just simply write the text message here. After that, just go to the down and just click on this continue. So we have set up our Discord, we have configured our channel, and if I want, I can test it. So if you want, then you can skip this or you can just test this. So let's just test this. So it will automatically check if anything problem here or not. So you can see there is not any problem, everything was fine. So after that, just simply click on this publish. So I have tested this one and it's working. You can see in our general channel it's already working. So if someone submit a Google form to my account, so it will automatically message on my Discord. So basically this is how you can connect your Google form and a Discord. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.